Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vanguard beneficiary forms for investments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Select Beneficiaries from the drop-down menu. Choose the account for which you want to set up or update beneficiary forms. Click on the Add or Change Beneficiaries option. You will see a list of current beneficiaries associated with the account. To add a new beneficiary, click on the Add Beneficiary button. Enter the personal details of the new beneficiary, including their full name and date of birth. Specify the percentage of assets you want to allocate to each beneficiary. If you want to add multiple beneficiaries, click Add Another Beneficiary. Ensure the total percentage adds up to 100%. Once all beneficiaries are added, review your entries for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. After verification, review your beneficiary selections one last time. Finally, click Submit to finalize the changes. You'll receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Consider printing or saving a copy of the confirmation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.